Shaboozey is played in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. The intro to the song starts off with 2 muted hits strummed down up. So what we're doing is placing the left hand on the guitar and not applying any pressure, and then strumming as normal. We're then going to go to our first chord in the song, an E minor chord. So we have the open E string, 2nd fret, 2nd finger on the A string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger on the D string, and the rest of the strings are open. This is relative to capo. And for the strumming we have down, 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 down. So the 2 muted hits, and then an E minor chord, down, down, down. We're then going to go to a G major chord. 2nd finger, low E string, 3rd fret, 1st finger, 2nd fret, the A string, and the 3rd finger on the high E string at the 3rd fret. The rest of the strings are open, and again this is relative to capo. We have down, down, up, down, same strumming pattern. So you have the 2 muted hits, E minor, down, 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 G. And we go to a C major chord. So in this case we have the 3rd finger on the A string at the 3rd fret, 2nd finger, 2nd fret at the D string, open G, 1st finger, 1st fret at the B, high E strings open, same strumming again, down, down, down. So for the C there, down, down, down. So far the 2 muted hits, E minor, down, 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 G, C. Then going to go back to the G chord and this time play down, down, up. Before we go to a D chord, so we'll have the 1st finger here on the 2nd fret of the G string, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string, and the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and the open D string. We also want to get the 2nd fret on the low E string with the thumb if we can. This is like a D with an F sharp in the bass, obviously relative to capo again. And the strumming here is down, down, up. So we'd have the G, down, down, up, to that D with the F sharp in the bass, down, down. If you can't get the F sharp with the thumb, it doesn't really matter. You can just play G, D, down, down, up, down, down. So slowly the whole thing so far is the mutes, E minor, G, C, G, D F sharp in the bass, back to the E minor, G, C, G, D. And this is actually played throughout the entire song, just with a few variations and a bit more up to speed. The main variation on the ending of this chord progression starts off the same way with the E minor, G, C, and then the G. We just stop there and don't play the D on the end. So there's also a break in the song where we swap to single strums, and the chord progression is the same. E minor, single strum, G, single strum, C, 2, 3, 4, G, D with the F sharp, back to E minor, G, and C,